So inertial coefficients of the moment of inertia of a rotating body whose angular velocity vector changes with time. I suffix xx, I suffix xx equal to summation m suffix I into y suffix I square plus z suffix I square equal to summation m suffix I r suffix I square minus x suffix I square. I suffix xy equal to minus summation m suffix I x suffix I y suffix I. I suffix xz equal to minus summation m suffix I x suffix I z suffix I. This is the fifth equation. These are called these are called inertial coefficients. Inertial coefficients in terms of inertial coefficients in terms of inertial coefficients. Equation 4 can be written as L suffix x equal to I suffix x omega suffix x plus I suffix xy omega suffix y plus I suffix xz omega suffix z. So L suffix y equal to I suffix yx omega suffix x plus I suffix yy omega suffix y plus I suffix yz omega suffix z, and L suffix z equal to I suffix zx omega suffix x plus I suffix zy omega suffix y plus I suffix zx omega suffix z. Next, the matrix form of equation 6 is given by, next, from these equations we can write matrix form. L suffix x, L suffix y, L suffix z equal to I suffix xx, I suffix xy, I suffix xz, I suffix yx, I suffix yy, I suffix yz, I suffix zx, I suffix zy, I suffix zz, omega suffix x, omega suffix y, omega suffix z. This is the equation 7. The diagonal elements. The diagonal elements. I suffix xx, comma, I suffix yy, and I suffix zz are called as principal moments of inertia, as principal moments of inertia around around x comma y and z axis, x comma y and z axis respectively. The other six terms, the other six terms, I suffix xy comma, I suffix xz comma, I suffix yx comma, I suffix yz comma, I suffix zx, and I suffix zy are called as off diagonal terms of diagonal terms are products of inertia. And equation 7 can be expressed in more compact form by using symbols 1 comma 2 comma 3 for x comma y comma z respectively. Then I suffix mu equal to summation v equal to 1 to 3, I suffix mu v omega suffix v, mu suffix 1 comma 2 and 3. This is 8th equation. So the more elegant vector form of equation 8 is the more elegant vector form of equation 8 is L equal to I omega. This is equation 9. And where omega is the vector with three components, omega suffix x comma, omega suffix y and omega suffix z. And I stands for an operator called as tensor. It has rank 2 with 9 components. This is the tensor, this operator, I operator called tensor with 9 components. It has rank 2.